Do you know many people are having trouble with finding the dryer vent height on the LG WKEX200HBA WashTower? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Measure vent height. The height to the center of the dryer vent on the LG WKEX200HBA WashTower is 3 inches, 76 mm. Step 2. Protrude duct end. Ensure that the male end of the duct protrudes 1/2 3.8 com to connect the remaining ductwork. Step 3. Attach cover plate. Attach the cover plate to the back of the dryer with the included screw. Step 4. Vent dryer outdoors. Vent the dryer properly to the outdoors to prevent any risks. Step 5. Use proper ductwork. Use only 4 10 com, rigid, semi-rigid, or flexible metal ductwork inside the dryer cabinet and for venting outside. Step 6. Ensure clear duct. Make sure the exhaust duct is 4-10 cm in diameter with no obstructions and kept as short as possible for efficient operation. By following these steps, you should now be able to correctly set up the venting for your LG WKEX200HBA WashTower. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other LG users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.